do I finance a home addition?
That's a good question.
Yes.
There's usually a lot of conversation about that, and
Sure.
a lot of customers don't realize the variety of options they have. Most of our customers get some form of construction loan. The big advantage of a construction loan is you're gonna get more money. A construction loan is based on the estimated value of the completed project.
Right. Okay.
Right? So if you have a $400,000 house with $100,000 in equity in it, but you want to make that, you have the space and you want to make that into a $1.5 million home, the construction loan is the route to go, because once we have plans, the bank looks at the plans and they look at what is this going to be worth when we're
Right.
done, and they'll give you a loan based on that. For smaller projects, a lot of people just do home equity loans.
Yeah.
Honestly, the home equity loan is the easiest on our end, because they just give you, the homeowner, a lump sum of cash.
Right.
But construction loans are the most popular, and there's different ones now on the market where you don't actually have to cash out your existing mortgage. See, traditionally, a traditional construction loan takes your old mortgage, they pay off your old mortgage, it funds the construction, and then when the construction's over, it converts into a new lump sum
Sure.
loan, right?
Right.
And obviously, a lot of people with a low rate on their existing home don't want to do that. So now there's companies out there that are doing these construction loans that are actually a second mortgage,
Right.
where you don't cash out your old loan, and those work pretty well.
Nice.
Yeah.
Good to know there's options.
Yeah, and we can definitely direct you. Believe me, we've worked with all the big banks, the small banks, and we can tell you, or Nicole can tell you more, that there's a huge difference in some of these banks. Some are super easy to work with, not a lot of paperwork. Some are a headache. But they also
Okay.
come with their pluses and minuses, right?
For sure.
Like
For sure.
the FHA construction loans allow you to take out huge amounts of money, with low down payments,
Yeah.
but lots of paperwork. So there tends to be trade-offs with different loan packages.
Sure.
But we can work with you on it.
Yeah,
on
that's
any
the
of them.
thing. Each individual person, whatever makes sense for that family.
Right. And you have to also, a thing to know, when you just hiring a contractor in general, the banks have to approve the contract. And so we've worked with so many banks. We're basically approved by almost all of them at this point in our area.
Yeah.
But it is just something to know. The banks won't let you work with a contractor that's not a reputable contractor.
Yep.
So anyway, just so you
Good.
know.
Yeah. Good to know.
Yeah.
That's good. Thank you.